Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. So today we are in the south of San Diego, near Palm Avenue, in a small street called Avenida del Mexico, which is right next to Saturn Boulevard. And this is a park that is called Sunset View. Okay, it's in a dead end street, so it's very quiet. It's for all ages, and the rent of the space is very convenient because it's $900 per month. And this is the home. Space 24. It's a two-bedroom, one bathroom. The price is $154,900. Okay. The home is cash only because we already tried to finance, and we were told that the bank cannot finance it because of comparables or so. But if you have cash or you are selling a property like Tijuana or somewhere else, and you have enough cash, or you can ask for a personal loan in your bank, this is going to be perfect for you. Okay, so come on in, follow me. This is first of all, it has a nice carport for two cars at least, and you will see the shed. It includes the shed as well. But come on in, follow me. So this has a nice side yard. Okay, so we have here. This is part of the property, and also he has a walkthrough there on a common area, so you can access there to go to the rest of the park or the street through there as well. Okay, has nice plants. So, and well, let's get inside the home. So here you have a nice living room, and it's a single wide, but it has plenty of windows, has a lot of natural light. Okay, and here you can see this is the dining area, a nice, very nice kitchen. All the appliances convey, so it includes the refrigerator, the stove. It has a dishwasher and a microwave here as well. Okay, so yeah, the home is very nice for a small family. Remember, this is an all ages park, so that's a good thing. And if you follow me here, well, this is the furnace, so it has good heating, and it comes with a very new thermostat right here, and so. And around here we have the guest bedroom, so it's two bedrooms. This is the small one. The small bedroom has a nice closet as well, and here it has enough space for a single or maybe a full bed as well. So that's usable. And you see in this home, the ceilings are what is called cathedral, because the home is from 2001, and I don't think I mentioned it. It's about 700 square feet, which is good. It's a good size. So come with me. Let's go and see the bathroom. Well, one thing is that the home, they used to have a cat in here, so this is just the painting scratch. So that, and probably the carpet is a couple of things that you want to change, but everything else looks really good. So it's a couple of cosmetic things you have here. Of course, if you're interested in a home, we recommend an inspection. We always do, by a certified inspector, to see if there's anything else regarding the home. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's a full bathroom, with the tub and the shower. And one of the nicest things as well, it has some closet here with for a lot of storage as well. So this is very convenient. And yeah, if you follow me over here, these are the washer and dryer, and that also convey. They're included. There's very this is heavy duty one, so they're in very good use. And you have some extra storage in here. And this is the other bedroom. I call it a master bedroom if you want, but yeah, it's the bathroom is like in between. It has a big closet here, and And again, it's quite, this one is more spacious than the other one. And again, has a lot of natural light because it has these nice windows as well. And well, this is it about the inside of the home. So it has two entrances. We're gonna go on the side entrance to the carport. So follow me. And like I was telling you, this is the carport. You can fit 3 cars, 2 for sure. Well, 2 cars on the tractor because it goes can go all the way through here. It still has a nice patio, and this is the shed, but it's good. It's quite spacious, you can see. And if you follow me over here, this is the backyard. So yeah, it's nice. You have some privacy, it's a good distance with the neighbors. Here you can plant things and so yeah. The home is very nice. It's in pretty good shape. And all this part, this is like additional patio that we have. So this is it. Okay, so let's recap. So this is a home from 2001. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Okay, the address is 2181 Avenida del Mexico in San Diego, 92154. The size of the home is about 700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The price is $154,900, and the rent of the space is $900 per month. It's an all ages park, so here you can have children, and also they allow pets, so with the pet policy. But yeah, they have space to have your pets in here in the park. And this home, the only thing to notice is that the home is not financeable through the regular mobile home loans. They said because they were not comparables, but if you have cash or you're selling another property, or if you can have part of the money and you can get maybe a personal loan or something, this is great for you. Very quiet park. We are nearby here next to Saturn Boulevard and the 5 and Palm Avenue here in South San Diego. So it's very well communicated, but at the same time, this is in a cul-de-sac, you say, in a closed street. So it makes it very quiet. So I think that's all for today. Well, if you like the video, just click the like button and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave your comments if you got any comments or questions, and I will answer all of them. And that's it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.